Today, I'm gonna eliminate this safety hazard. I've been working with this, getting up in the attic and like this for, I hate to say it, for about 2 years. What I do is I climb up on this ladder here, keep on going up, and then hop on this one and go the rest of the way up. And that's the way I come down to. Now, we all know that's probably not the safest way to do it, so we're going to fix that. Now, this ladder was put in by the contractors. When they installed it, the drywall wasn't there or anything, so it's not down level with the drywall. Probably not in the best place. But as you look up above, you'll see there's no trim around it. So I really have nothing to hold it up there. When I take it down, naturally the first step is to loosen all the screws. Then I'll have some help to lower it down before I put the other one up. I had a minor change of plans and it didn't come up on video, so what I did is I put 2 strap pieces of wood across the bottom of the attic ladder. That way it will have something to fall down upon once I loosen everything up, and then that way I can just lower it between the 2 pieces of wood. Plus this will also help me set the new one. There's my entrance with the door, pull down door. The other entrance is a little further back, and you see that it's a little bit bigger. I will have to put a ladder in there to get there, but it's just there with a pulley over the top so I can haul like lightweight furniture up there. We have a desk and stuff up there that we don't use anymore. It also makes it easier when hauling things by myself. I can just lower it down through the pulley system. Okay, so the next step will be to go up and disconnect it. Like there might be one in the way right there, huh? Okay, it's hot in the attic. I took the last 4 screws out that were holding it in place. I was able to loosen it up, pick it up. It is loose. I'll just have to wait for help now to lower it down. I'll probably use the bucket of my Kubota. I mean, you could use lots of different methods. You could use just manpower. Just manpower would work. You could use a winch. You could use a pulley system. There's lots of things you could use to lower it down. But I'm going to wait till I get some help and then maybe bring the bucket up and just drop it in the bucket and then move it up from there. This is the one I'll be replacing it with. It is not brand new. It is a used one. That is one of the reasons why it took me a little bit of time to replace that. I didn't want to buy new. A lot of times you can find something that's just almost like new. This one is in real good shape. It was taken out somewhere where they had a 10-foot ceiling, so you want to make sure you have enough drop if you buy a used one to make sure you have enough stand. This one came from a 10-foot drop. They go quick on Marketplace. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, but you got to be on your toes. I was the first caller, and it's a good thing because there's multiple calls afterwards. I got this for $100. I think they're
around 350 new. They vary in price. I think I've seen them for $299 up to $350. But this one is in real good shape. It wasn't used that much. This one gets a lot of use. I do use this a lot. I store quite a bit of stuff up there. And a lot of even my steel and stuff that I use when I do other things, I put up there. So the hard part is going to be getting it up there. It's heavy, but it's not too heavy that a couple guys can handle. Unfortunately, I'm by myself. I'm waiting for my son to come to give me a hand to put it up. So once he gives me a hand, we'll get the other one down and get this one up and get it screwed in, and then we'll be on our way.
It was a struggle to get it into final position. The boards were real tight. You can tell they built around it last time. So I had some troubles with them extruding nails and things like that. We did get in position, and by position I mean we got it flat down along those installed boards. And after we got it in position, then we screwed it up tight, and now we're going to take off the board.
Okay, ladder is installed. We had a hard time getting it down in, but we got it down in. We got it down to the brackets. We took the brackets off. Then it's time to cut this bottom piece. Now, I've done a little bit of research online. It's kind of a hybrid area of two different ideas. But what I did is the first thing I did was match up a board here to this board. I took a board here, made it flat here. I wanted this one to be, if you have to, clamp it there. But then I put it there, and then I just drew a line, and that was my angle. Now, once I had the angle cut, you see there's the angle. I've already cut it with my saw. Then I took the board and put it there and took it right down to where it was, and then I mark it here for the length. Then once that's marked, I have the length here, and I have the angle here. At that point, I can take this board up and lay it here. I got the board length here and the angle here. And then I mark it, cut it. And as you see, I did it to both ends. Comes out to be a real nice fit. Nice and solid. It feels good. That should make my life a little safer. Should make some women in my life a little happier for me crawling up and down there like I was before, and possibility of getting hurt. But I'm happy with the install. It's going to work out good for me. I feel a lot better. I'll be able to crawl up there a little bit more. All I guess now is cleanup. So This is the old man with the plan on installing a new attic pull-down ladder. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. And once again, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you later.